because I know where there's a listening ear, there's a running mouth. Hey y'all, and welcome back. I am GrowingWithFinesse, and you're here with me as Growing with Finesse. Y'all, I done broke another nail trying to set up my tripod to create this video for you guys, and I'm not complaining. No, I will not do that. Hey, it's time to go get them done anyway, but I wanted to come on here and just tell y'all that I'm having an amazing morning. I'm sitting at the truck stop with my husband. We done had a good night's rest, and I'm getting ready to make him some breakfast, and I wanted to come and share it with y'all so y'all can see how easy it is to make your full meal in one skillet, pan, pot, whatever, because I'm that type of chick, right? And for the people that's here for it and love it, y'all, this one is for you. I promise you it is, y'all. I see that you guys liked my last breakfast video, so I'm making another one. This one is nice, easy, simple, it's quick, and there's less you have to clean when it's over. I know I was supposed to make a video kind of explaining where I've been and what's been going on, y'all, but that's neither here or there. I'm here today. The only reason why I decided not to make a full video on that level of conversation is because I know where there's a listening ear, there's a running mouth, and it may never come back or get to the next person the way I explain it. So for me, this is good enough, and if I ever decide to share just my testimony in a whole, in general, y'all, I will make a full video. But I want to say thank y'all so much for just rocking with your girl and being here with me and loving on me and supporting my channel, because that's what it's about at this moment. I give information, you receive it, you like it, you love it, some of you don't, and that's okay. But I'm here for the people who do. And I want to say I love y'all. I want to show y'all what I'm making for breakfast, and I'm kind of excited about it. I tried a little something similar to this, but I'm going to try something different today. So y'all, come on, rock with your girl. And be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be here when I drop the next video. If this is some content that you would love to see, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.